Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm gonna talk about percentage increase. There are many situations where quantities are either increased or decreased by a certain percentage, and we would like to find the final amount of the quantity. And for today I'm gonna use, or for this example, I'm gonna use two steps methods. An example that I'm gonna refer to is about the Mets Club. So what has been recorded that last year the Mets Club had 65 students. So, and since then the number of students has increased by 20%, which is great. So, but we would like to know what is the total number of students in Mets Club. And as I mentioned before, I'm going to use the method that's called two steps. So the first thing I'm going to write here is step one. So step one. So, and this is the method that I'm going to use. Here we have to find number of new students that have joined the club. Number of new students that have joined the club. And how are we going to do that? So it's pretty much, we're going to go with, okay, 20% has been increased, 20% out of 65 students. So 20% is the same as 20 out of 100. And of in mathematical terms is multiplication. So I'm going to replace by multiplication sign and times 65. 20 out of 100 as a decimal is 0.2 and times 65. You don't really need to have this line, but I'm just going to simplify. I'm talking about this line here. And then equal to, so you can use calculator now to calculate the number. 0.2 times 65 should give us 13. So number 13 actually represents number of students that have joined Mets Club. So since last year, Mets Club. So, but what we would like to know is actually the final number of students. So that's going to be our step two. So step two, let me just be consistent with colors. Step two. Step two is now finding the total number. So how are we going to find the total number? So total number of students is pretty much you apply this change to the original quantity. So original quantity was 65. So I'm going to put here original. Okay. Original. And then plus the new number of students, which is 13, new members, and we're going to add those two numbers together, which is going to give us 78. So the total number of students in Mets Club, now Mets Club has 78 members, students. So I hope you enjoy watching this. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye.